Jiaoyang is a leading manufacturer for welded mesh production line, wire processing machinery. Jiaoyang was founded in 1988 and scales has been expanded 3 times. Now Jiaoyang, with a total area of 100,000 square meters located in Hebei province, China, has more than 300 employees. More than 200 sets of various digital processing equipments are installed in Jiaoyang. At Jiaoyang, innovation focuses on customer needs. Our strength lies in offering more suitable, more flexible, and more competitive solutions for the customers all over the world and in time. Jiaoyang continues to strengthen the development and design of new products, and more than 50 electromechanical and software engineers continue to carry out technological innovation. For the characteristics of different industries, in-depth understand customers' needs, integrate process and replace traditional manual operations, customized automation, integration, safe intelligent integrated solutions. We successfully founded Hebei Province A-Level R&D Institution, Enterprise Technology Center and Provincial Technology Innovation Center, 3 provincial-level innovation platforms. Relying on the innovation platform, the Jiaoyang Customization Factory was created. Jiaoyang mainly focus on technical solutions for security fence, storage and supermarket shelf, poultry cage, road and bridge construction, and mining mesh welding. We participated in the formulation of 11 national and industry-related standards and obtained more than 190 patents in the field of welded mesh machinery. Based on the domestic and foreign industries, Jiaoyang develops and manufactures fully automatic mesh fence production line, storage shelf production line, concrete reinforcement mesh production line, construction mesh production line, mining support mesh production line, 3D truss girder welding line, poultry cage production lines, and other series of welding mesh machinery. Till now, we have produced more than 9,000 sets of machinery, which were delivered to 31 provinces in China and exported 110 countries and areas. Our machinery has gotten customers good feedback. All machinery delivered. One machine is with one code. Technical drawings, production process, and other files are promised to be kept for 30 years. More than 20 after-sales service engineers are ready to provide service, remote support, video and call, and installation in customer's factory. In workshop, there are more than 100 experienced and well-trained industry workers. They can proficiently operate in laser processing of sheets, bars, and profiles, robot welding, multifunctional part processing center, and guarantee the perfect supply of parts. Different departments will finish efficiently the assembly work of all units of mechanical, hydraulic, pneumatic, and electronic control in order. Excellent mechanical and electrical technicians 100% test the machine before it is delivered, in order to guarantee each customized production line, ensure quality and fast delivery. We have constantly built an enterprise cloud management platform, achieving transparent management throughout the entire process in various aspects such as customer communication, contract signing, research and development design, supply collaboration, production scheduling, process tracking, quality control, debugging and warehousing, and after-sales service, which can be permanently traced. After our unremitting persistence and efforts of more than 30 years, we obtain National Specialty New Little Giant Enterprise, National High-Tech Enterprise, Hebei Province Specialty New Demonstration Enterprise, Scientific and Technological Innovation Benchmark Enterprises, the title of a famous trademark enterprise in Hebei Province, passed ISO 9001 certification, CE certification, and SGS factory certification. Jiaoyang always adhere to the concept of technical foreseeing the future, continuous innovation, and pursuit of excellence. Strive to become an excellent Chinese supplier in the global welded mesh production line. Provide customers with high-quality, high-performance products and services